Imagine waking up every day to a steady stream of income without lifting a finger. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Today, we're diving deep into the world of automated YouTube channels, where your creativity can work for you while you live your best life. But here's the catch. It's not as easy as it sounds. Stay tuned, because we're about to reveal the secrets that could change your financial future. Automation is the name of the game, but why should you care? In a world where time is money, the allure of passive income is irresistible. Imagine producing content while you sleep, with your channel racking up views and cash flow 24/7. The best part? You don't even have to be on camera, unless you're more comfortable talking to a plant than a camera, in which case you're in luck. First things first, what does it mean to run an automated channel? It's about leveraging technology to minimize your workload. Tools like video editors, voiceover software, and content planners are your best friends. You'll learn to outsource tasks and use AI to generate scripts and voiceovers. But here's the kicker. If you don't start now, you might just watch others succeed while you remain stuck in the daily grind. Don't let fear hold you back. Let it fuel your ambition. Next up, choosing a niche. This is critical. The niche you pick will determine your channel's potential for growth. Do you want to talk tech, gaming, or maybe self-improvement? The best niches have high demand and low competition. Stick around, because later we'll share a secret formula to uncover the most profitable niches. But first, let's talk content creation. Creating content for an automated channel doesn't mean sacrificing quality. Here's how to do it effectively. Start with trending topics and use keyword research to optimize your videos for search. You'll want to tap into tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. And remember, just because you can automate doesn't mean you should post videos of your cat sleeping on repeat unless that's your niche. Now that you've got content, it's time to market it. Use social media platforms to share your videos and connect with your audience. Don't underestimate the power of SEO. Titles, descriptions, and tags can make or break your visibility. Imagine your subscriber count skyrocketing overnight because you've tapped into the right audience. But how do you sustain that growth? That's where the real challenge lies. Let's talk money. Once you hit the threshold for monetization, there are multiple income streams: ad revenue, sponsorships, and even merchandise. But don't just stop there. You can create affiliate partnerships to earn even more. Want to know the best kept secret for maximizing your revenue? Stay tuned until the end, because I'm revealing a strategy that could double your income. You've learned the ins and outs of running an automated YouTube channel, but remember, action is where the magic happens. Don't let fear or doubt keep you from pursuing your dreams. The first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most rewarding. I'm considering creating a full course on mastering automated videos. If you want to see part 2, comment yes below. Your interest could make it happen.